Hello and welcome to EW tutorial. So today I'm going to start one of the series named as Django, and I will tell you each and everything about the Django and Python, right? So before I am going to start, first we need to open the folder where we will start our project, right? So come into the CMD, write mkdir my directory, name as Django. You can named any name as a folder. I am writing it as a Django. Hit enter, cd Django. So I have entered into the Django. So now I am going to start one of the project. So before I am going to start, first you need to install the Django, and here is the command pip install Django. So this command will install Django in your PC or system or laptop. So just after that we will create one of the project. I have already installed Django in my system, so there is no need to write any of the command like this. So you have to download three things from the internet: Python, Django, and Sublime Test or Atom. And I am familiar with both of the test editors, so it is better to have any of the one. Most of them the commands are familiar almost. So I am going to create one of the project name as Django admin, start project name as first. So now it is the admin part, I will tell you later. And this small keyword, and there is a separate class and separate file behind this keyword. So this name as first will create the project as first. Hit enter. So I am going to enter in this project. So now I have entered into the first project. So I am going to run this project, and look what would happen. So Python, you can write Python or Py, any of these. So I am writing as Python, or you can write Py, or write manage.py run server. So now you can see we have this IP address where our project is currently running on. So I am going to copy this and paste it here. So now you can see it as installed, worked successfully, congratulations, like this. And in the next video I am going to tell you about how the manage.file is running on.